Hey everyone, so today we are going to discuss how to open up a Dell Inspiron 245415. The idea being that if you want to upgrade some parts or service it, you can do so. We are going to start by taking a pry tool and getting into the plastics on the back of the machine. There's basically a kind of like a small crevice in between the LCD screen and the back panel. And if you just sort of pry that open, you can unclip the plastic clips and eventually it should come right off. Next, you want to notice the 5 screws that are on the plastic trim pieces. You want to remove those 5 screws to be able to take off the IO bezel. Next, you just pop the plastic clips on the IO bezel and it just sort of comes right off, pretty easy. Then you've got a couple of screws on the metal motherboard plate. You want to take off the one at the top here, as I'm showing in the video. Then you've got another one to the top right. You then have 2 screws at the bottom that you remove. And then once those are up, you should be able to slide the motherboard tray off pretty easily. From here, we'll reveal the motherboard where you can upgrade the RAM. As you can see, there are 2 available slots. You can also upgrade the NVMe drive and add a 2.5-inch SATA drive if you would like as well. The motherboard is also pretty easy to take apart and service if you have to. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. We hope this was helpful. And if you have questions, let us know.